Hello, welcome to another Talkspot tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create text links to Word and Excel documents. Note, this is different than adding a document to your document widget. This is if you actually want to create a link with your text to link to your documents. First thing you'll want to do is upload the documents to your file manager. So you click More from the Widgets Manager in the top left, Files, and then Upload. I suggest creating a folder so you can easily find your documents. By creating a new folder, you just click the new folder link and name it something recognizable. Now that you've created the folder will be highlighted. Click Next, select Files, and upload your files. Now what you'll want to do is you want to grab the link to those files. So make sure you have a piece of scratch paper open, either a Word document or notes, something you can type into, or cut and paste into rather. Now we're going to go back to the file manager, so click More, Files, Manage. Once you're in your file manager, you'll want to grab this part of the link right here. This is where you're going to start. Copy that, then paste it into your scratch paper, followed by a /. Then type the name of your folder that you put the documents in. You want it to be exactly the same as the folder you're working with, or else the link will not work. Follow that by another /, and then you want the name typed exactly the way it is on your document. Note that there's underscores where spaces were in the document name. Another trick you can do to get it exactly the way it is, you can go rename and then copy from here and then paste on the end of your link. You don't want any extra spaces, and you want the link to be exactly the way it's worded in your documents. Now that you have your link, copy it from here and return to your website editor. Now click Edit, and then click Edit above the text widget that you want to put the link into. And then type in the text that you want to link to your document. As so. Then you're going to highlight the text that you want to link and click this link to icon. Then you're going to simply paste in the document link that you just created, click Open in a new tab, and insert. Once you're finished, just click Save and Exit. And you can test your link by simply clicking on it. And there we have it. There's our example Word document that we just linked to the text in our text widget. I hope this has been helpful. And if you have any questions, just email us at support@talkspot.com. Thank you.